Welcome to the homestead. Glad you're with us. So, what am I going to do today? Good question. Working on that cat house, and we started framing it before the rains again, and I'm going to try to get back to that. But also, there's some pretty good sized dips and stuff that need dirt filled, and so I really need to do that. And the ground is really wet. Right now I can see exactly where the puddles are, and so that would be a good place to start. But it also seems like a very strenuous place to start. And I'll think about which job I'm going to attack first. Shall it be the dirt, or shall it be the cat house? As you can see behind me, the lumber yard is full of tall weeds. So I'm going to have to tromp through those weeds. Hopefully there's no snakes, to get the lumber that I need for this cat house. And I need to go get some tools, and then we'll attack some of this wood inside the lumber yard. Okay, I pulled a bunch of scrap wood. The worst part to a lot of this scrap wood is that it's not good wood, and it has a lot of nails. One of the things I forgot to bring from the shop was the wheel cutter that cuts the nails off of these things. So I'm gonna need to go and get that thing, because we can't have all these nails sticking out. Whew, that took my breath away doing all that strenuous work. Okay, next time you see me, we'll be over there. The ground is so muddy, it's sloshy, and I'm slipping around. So I'm putting these old tarps on the ground so I don't slip and fall. I think I'm gonna get some cardboard too. That cardboard's going to allow me to walk back and forth without sinking. First time you walk on this type of dirt, it's fine. It's wet, it's slippery. But the more you walk on it, the more the water comes up to the top, and the more soupy it gets, and the more you sink into it. It's just really bad stuff. Okay, I just realized I put that one right there, whoop, right there on backwards, so I'm gonna have to fix it. Darn it. I thought I put a screw in there, looked, didn't see it, so I started to hammer it out. There is a screw in there, but stripped it, now it's stuck. And I put 3-inch nails on that end. So I'm having trouble getting that end out. Darn it. I'm gonna keep working on it. Okay, I need a water break. It's coming along slowly, but it's coming. I'll be right back. I don't know about you, but I think this cat building is going to be more structurally sound than our cottages, because look at all that wood that's attached and going to support that siding and stuff. So anyway, it's going to be really good too, because with all those boards facing inward, we can use them as lips, because you know we're going to do beds and stuff, different levels, and so we can hook them on the sides on that wood. And cats are fairly light, so you know, anyway, I gotta get a new battery, take a little break, and find some more wood. Okay, that worked out really nicely, cutting that end off to fit right on top of this long end here. And I still have that other end that I could do. Over here where the end caps are, I think I'm going to leave the end caps. Maybe put a board across the, like a shelf board or something in there in the front. Maybe not, but the reason I'm leaving those right now is because that's going to be like a door opening, and we don't have a pillar log there. And so where latches need something, and I think that's good if we can attach the door actual frame part to the pillar log, and then this square thing. It's just a cat house, so I know I'm Mickey Mousing it and putting it all together like this, but we got all this scrap wood, and it makes no sense to spend money on a cat house if we don't have to. As is, we have to buy the sheeting, and the sheeting is like $27 per sheet, 4x8. And I think we calculate it, we need it like, I don't know, 12 of them or something. That's a lot of money. So we don't want to spend money on this part. And so the door frame and whatever, it's going to be Mickey Mouse, but it's going to be good. Just wait and see. I mean, it's a little hard, but how bad can it turn out, right? It's already looking good. If I had a hammer, I'd hammer out freedom. I'd hammer out justice all over this land. I'd hammer out freedom. I'd hammer out justice. I'd hammer out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. Okay, now you might notice some of the nails go in fairly smoothly and some of them are really hard to get in, and sometimes I bend them. The ones that are really easy to go in are 2-inch nails, and I'm just getting them, the outer board attached to the baseboard. Then I'm using 3-inch nails, a lot thicker nails, to go through the first board, the second board, and into the pillar log. And so that's why, and that's why it's really painful. Sometimes I use the 3-inch screws to go into it because it's easier if I'm holding something really heavy to get one in, so I can lift the other side. And if not, I'm just using the nails because we got a lot more nails than we do screws. I got more boards to separate, so let's get on that. Okay, that board ended up being too short for there, so I put it on the back where it fit fine. I need a longer board for right here in this front section. No big deal. But my back's starting to hurt. I need to go sit down for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, well, battery's dying. It's dinner hour. You know Lee's home. He gave me a little help on that last one. And it's time to quit. Been working on it all day long. And so, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. God bless you all. You be sure to like, share, press the notification bell, and subscribe. And we will see you next time on the homestead. Bye-bye now.